Hey everybody, welcome to my homestead. I'm Kaye. I was just shooting a little bit of video earlier because it's so crazy weather. It is so warm. Yesterday it was 72 and no, day before yesterday was 72. That was Christmas. Yesterday it was in the 60s, as you will see in my video today. And also today it's been in the 60s. Just starting to get a little cooler now. It's been gray all day, but it was so warm earlier. And there was a nice breeze. It wasn't too strong. And I opened every window of my house, turned both heaters off. So one of these days we're going to get the 24-hour survival challenge without power back on schedule. But for right now, check out the few things that I shot today. As soon as I walk out, you come to greet me. Hi. What do you think about all the birds today? Are they migrating? Or something? Are they migrating? I hear so many birds in the trees. Yeah. It is 66 degrees. Ow. What are you doing? Hi, good morning. Do you think I've got food? No. It is 66 degrees today with a high of 69 2 days after Christmas. It's cloudy. Yeah, you're feeling it too. I'm hoping no storm is coming because that would not be good with all this warm weather. So the tree blew over again. And my son had it tied down, I thought. I don't know. If it's tied from 3 points, I don't know how it kept falling over, but it did. So now Christmas is over. But I just love all these lights. They're cheerful. My daughter-in-law put those up, the red ones up, and put it on the railing as well. I know, what's going on? What are you going crazy about? What are you going crazy about? Alright, I gotta go inside and work. Okay, have a good day. Okay? Yes, I know, but you can't go in. You sure do like to be petted. Yes, you do. Okay. Let me go. Okay, this is the first time I've tried this. I've got to get shop back out of the way. I'm going to get some fresh air in this garage without opening the door and letting all the leaves blow in. I can't even reach that. What was I thinking? What was it? Good grief. If I do it down here. Oh, I know. Okay, I'm going to have to change the... Yep, that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to change the screen. And since, whoa, what a breeze. And since I didn't get a larger windowsill, they can't really, well, they could sit in here, that's true. Well, anyway, I want some fresh air in here. Imagine that. Okay, let's do one on this side. It's a big breeze. I'll go over on the other side. Hey, anybody know why this happened? This one was absolutely beautiful. And then these two kind of fizzled. They never opened. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's going to get us some very fresh air in here. Because I just swept the garage this morning. Had leaves blow in all the time. And what I really need is a cat door. I gotta call this guy. See if he can do me a cat door. Alright, go outside and play. It's such beautiful weather for you guys. Oh, it feels so fresh in here. Let's make sure this is off. System heat, system off. Done. Okay. Bathroom window open. Let's just open this one for view. Boy, do I need to get out there and work on that. Oh, all that green stuff. A lot of that green stuff is creeping Charlie. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, last one. Wow. Ow! Hi, baby! You're following me everywhere. I just temporarily forgot there are thorns on this kaffir lime tree, and just scraped. I know, I think they're unsettled because it's weird weather. It's very dry. Speaking of dry, gosh, I think I need to water my trees. My goodness. Oh, you haven't seen this. Look at this. Look at that. 4. No, maybe you have seen it. This one is going to be a threesome. See on the back. I'm so excited. I need to get some rainwater in here and water these plants. Oh, please make me a seed. I need seeds for next year. Come on. A little look at this beautiful soap. One of my fans has an Etsy store, Ramblin' Rose Cottage. Look how lovely this is. Oh my goodness. These would have looked great in my mother's living room. She was very into that color pattern. I'm so grateful for all the handmade gifts that I've been given, like these quilted toasters and this soup cozy, cup of soup cozy that's reversible. I love it. This is when I only had Linden. Cammie made this for me and sent it to me. Now she's going to have to do one with 4 black and white cats. This is the cutest, sweetest little dog my son made. And I just think it has the cutest little expression. The tail broke off and I glued it back a long time ago. See, when you make a sculpture and you have something that sticks out, that's the first thing that's going to get broken. All right, let's get to work. So right now I have to run over to the post office and mail back the charger that my son and wife left here yesterday, and I've got to get back for my premiere. I hope you will have seen that by the time you see this. And I've got her. Hi, this is BJ. Can you say hi? She's so pretty. Yeah, let's take the, everybody wants you to not have the bell on there. Okay, we got to take that off. I'm going to take the bells off their collars, probably take the collars off. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this channel, following my journey. I hope it inspires you in some way. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and share with a friend and help this channel grow. I would like to get another 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That's only 4 days, including today. So help me out, won't you? And God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. There is a line to get into the transfer station. I'm just pulled over on the shoulder in line. Oops. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am the 9th vehicle. And I guess that's because maybe they were closed yesterday too, you know? And people have a lot of garbage after a holiday, especially when you've got kids. Wrapping paper and bows and everything, food containers, oh my goodness. So I'll check in with you after this. Spot? Okay, it's just too tall and it's not level and it's not safe and I don't have anybody to hold the ladder and I'm not doing it. There's 3 there and there's 2 there. Well, let's see, 4 out of 5 lights were shot. So I got 2 motion lights. This one's really bright. And so that's what I've got right now. 1. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.